How to make images move in CapCut. Hi guys, welcome back to another video, and in today's video I am going to be telling you how you can move the images in CapCut. So having said that, let's just jump into the video. So first things first, what you want to do is you want to upload the image over here within CapCut. And I already have one over here imported, so I'm gonna go ahead and drag it over here down below into the timeline. Now it should appear over here. Sometimes, it does a little bit of oopsie for some reason, the preview doesn't happen, but let me go ahead and try to fix that. Usually you can fix it by clicking on the settings button, going into performance and turning off render, and then restarting it. So I'm going to go ahead and restart. I don't know why it happens. All right, here we go. So we have the image right here, and it is giving me the preview, so we should be good to go. Here we go. Right? Nope, it's not. All right, here we go. So it's now fixed. I just had to restart it, and there we go. So how do we move the image? So first things first, what you want to do is select the image, right? Here we go. Come over here onto the right-hand side, and then you're going to see right here you have transform, position, and everything. You can see right next to position, you have this little button. This is called a keyframe. So what this will do is, let me go ahead and say that we want this image to start zooming in right away, right? So what I'll do is I'll move the player right here and press actually, I should press this keyframe right here in the beginning, and then I should move the cursor over here wherever you want. And from here, what I want to do is I want to go ahead and maybe move the image to the right hand side like so. That's going to add a keyframe, right? Then what I want to do is I want to play this video right over here, this image. Then I say I want to go and, make it back. So I'm going to go ahead and place it back to where it originally was. And then let's say we want it to also zoom in. So I'll also add a keyframe for the scale version. And then over here, I'll go ahead and say, you know what? It zoomed in 150%. And then let me just move that over here. And then I'll just say, right at the end, it goes back to 100%, like that. So now if I play this video, this is how it's going to look like. You can see the image is moving, zooming in, zooming out. Pretty simple. This is how you do it with the keyframes. So there you go. This is how you do it. This is how you move images within CapCut. So thank you guys for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, be sure to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on post notifications. And I will catch you guys in the next video. And until then, take care and goodbye.